Hey everybody, today we're in a Ford Mustang. We're going to be showing you how to install the ProClip mount number 855975. Before we get started, there are a couple things we want to mention. First off, this mount does use some double-sided tape. You'll see the blue covering here and the white covering here. You'll want to peel those covers off before you install the mount to the dash. And the tape we use is designed so that if you ever have to remove the mount, it's not going to leave any marks or residue behind on the dash. Second of all, always make sure you install the mount onto your vehicle before you screw to the faceplate. So with that, we'll get started. This mount is a pretty simple mount to install. So it's going to attach in two places. The lower lip is just going to sit right here. Basically, our edge is going to touch this chrome piece of the vent flashing. So we just want to set it down in there like that and kind of hold it in place with your one hand. Then we'll use our thumb to press on the top until that upper lip snaps in right under the chrome on the top side. Once you feel it snap in, now you have a nice solid mounting platform for a custom ProClip device holder. We hope this video has helped. Have a great day.